Nó là vậy nó rong của tao tao mình thấy Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee có gì hay tao cũng nông sót có hay đi chả.
Well, my name is Bruce Lee. I was born in San Francisco in 1953. I do not believe in hate. Well, first of all, I do not believe in the Japanese way of fighting, the Chinese way of fighting. I do not believe in style anymore. Only if the human body is combined with 3 arms and 3 legs, then we will have a different form of fighting. But to me, if I face my opponent, baby, you better make sure you are ready to kill me. Once I am ready, then I will destroy your body just like that.
Can you demonstrate some of the style that you're talking about?
Well, it's the want to demonstrate. It's
Can you want you to demonstrate your style is called Wing Chun?
Oh, I studied that from the Yip Man.
Okay.
Yip Man is the foundation. Now, first of all, Wing Chun is the foundation. But I also created Jeet Kune Do in Cantonese. And if you translate it in English, it's called the way of the intersecting fist.
Can you demonstrate with this guy right here? Yeah, we want to see demonstrate your technique.
Demonstration?
Yeah, demonstrate.
First of all, let's say that if he punch me, right, and if I throw a block, it's too slow. But if he punch me and I block and punch at the same time, it's called the way of the
intersection.
Do you get what I mean? Yes. Speed plus coordination. You have to be speed. Speed is the coordination of the I am very busy.
Can you demonstrate one more time? Cause I think you were so fast that we missed the taping on the area. Okay. All right.
I'll give you a few more seconds to demonstrate the way of the intersecting fist. Now, you ready? Punch again. Now, when you punch, if I block and then punch, it's too slow. But if you punch and I block, it's called the impact, and it's called simultaneously in American. And also the martial art, if he punch me, I block and punch at the same time, and then if I tap him, if I tap him here, his mind will think here, but actually, it actually go in at the same time. See that? Instead of this, and then punch, it's like this. So actually, it's like the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line.
In your technique, do you have kick?
I do not believe in kicks that much, because if you kick, if you fighting with somebody that is close, you stay close to the other kick, they cannot kick you anymore. I do believe in kick too, but kicking is for only show and also for like taekwondo show.
So how come all your movie, every time I see when you fight in your movie, I see mostly kick?
That's because when I kick with Chuck Norris was actually the one that taught me the kick, but the roundhouse kick, he taught me, but I do better than him. So that's why he perfected. Yeah, perfected, and also I am the master.
Okay.
So I had to say ciao. I had to go. And remember, be like water, my friend. You put water in a cup, it becomes a cup. You put water on a teapot, it becomes the teapot. So fight like water and be like water.
Thank you for your interview, Bruce Lee, and thank you for taking your time to interview me.